Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agrimetsoft Research Company, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use IFS function in Excel. So first of all, this function actually is used to check multiple conditions and then to represent numbers or values in case the conditions are met or the conditions are true. So here, actually this if-else function is a very good, alternative for nested if function, and it's a really easy one. So now I will show you how to use it. First of all, as we do for all any other functions in Excel, we first put an equal mark to recall the function. So here I type ifs, and then you can see in the description that it says checks whether one or more conditions are met and returns a value corresponding to the first true condition. So I double click on that, and then it says define your logical test. So I want these scores of these students to be categorized in some certain, qualities. So I want them that if they are in some certain ranges, they be represented with certain letters. So here I first select the cell, then I say if it's bigger or equal to 90, then represented with A, for example. Then if again this cell is bigger or equal to 60, let's say, then define it as B, represented as B. Then if again this cell is bigger or equal to let's say, I don't know, 40, then represented as C. I'm sorry, I should put it on quotation marks as C. Then I close the parentheses and click enter, and let's see what happens. Now I just copy it to other cells to categorize them all, and let's check if it has done it correctly or not. So it says this cell is C because it's it has this condition true, so it's bigger than 40. So this is B because it's bigger than 60. This is also B because it's still bigger than 60, and this is A because it's equal to 90. Here the last one is B because it's bigger than 60 and less than 90. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Agrimetsoft channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.